What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. My weekly tech pickups for the week of the 18th through the 25th of November. This is what I had picked up from Sunday to Sunday, ending November 25th. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Not a whole lot this week, but definitely some cool stuff, and definitely some stuff that's going to lead to some more videos. And that's what counts, right? So let's go ahead and start off from left to right with this little guy right here. This is the DI Medium SD plus micro SD card holder. Keeps cards safe. I kind of saw this and was like, huh, this is kind of interesting. So let's go ahead and just pop it open. I do already have an SD card holder. It's a Pelican case, but this one here kind of caught my eye because it's so small. So basically, you've got little slots on this to fill up, and it's just, that's it. It's just a card holder, and you could actually like put content on here if you wanted to, label it on the bottom. But I thought it was kind of a cool little way to store and carry micro SD cards and SD cards. Now, it will do 2 big size SDs and 4 micro SDs, where you can put a micro SD in an adapter and put it in here and then have 6 micro SDs. So whatever. Pretty cool little item. Just picked it up. Great stocking stuffer idea, just FYI, for the holidays. So, you know, maybe you'll see that again on a holiday stocking stuffer video. Whatever. So, tech pouch. Well, kind of got a couple of things going on for storage this week. So, I had backed the Peak Design Tech Pouch Easy Access Gear Organizer. Gosh, I think back in September, maybe. And it finally came in. And I gotta say, I am really excited to use this. I am going to do a feature video on this because this thing is so cool. I can't even get started. But look at all these pouches or pockets and items in here. This is just phenomenally cool tech pouch. So as you see here, there's like pockets galore. There's little straps up here for like pins. There's pockets inside. You can put like a Kindle in here, chargers, SD drives. You got more pockets over here, more pockets over here. Just a kick butt. And these here have zippers in them, so you've got little slots that you can unzip in through here. Keep some stuff even more secure. This thing is amazing. And you can see here, you've got a few examples of, you know, stashing it in your travel bag. They got the passport in there. They just got it at a coffee shop, because all your gear, cable, everything you need, you can throw in this thing. A completely amazing tech pouch. So definitely going to feature that guy. 12 South sent us the Compass Pro for your mobile stand for iPad. And this will work with multiple iPads, not just like your 10.5. I think this will even work with the 12.9. The newest generation, I think it's 3rd. It's adjustable mobile stand for iPad, compact folding stand, travels anywhere iPad goes, displays iPad in portrait or landscape, with or without case. Adjust hold iPad in 3 unique viewing angles, and it's optimized for use with all sizes of iPad and iPad Pros. So definitely a cool item to have with your iPad. If I can get it open. Sweet. Easier said than done. There we go. Alright. Yeah, it does look like a compass. A huge compass. It's got a nice compass case. Say that quick. So you can carry it with you. There you go. Compass Pro. You're going to stash it in this. Throw it in your bag. And then let's go ahead. Let's try to get it out of this little thing here. There we go. And we got more packaging. Ah! Alright. Here we go, guys. The Compass. Compass Pro. We might just throw this in another video coming up here. I'm going to do another iPad accessory video because I've got some killer stuff for iPads that I'm going to share with you guys. So there, we just stashed it in here. And we'll definitely check this out in another video. But the Compass Pro from 12 South, definitely a cool item if you're an iPad owner and user. Alright, last but not least for this week's weekly tech pickups is the Nutsack Duffel. And I'm actually looking forward, I've done several Nutsack videos. I'll put a little card link up here to like the latest one. I think it's the Muy Grande. Anyway, this is their duffel bag. So they've had a lot of different messenger bags before. This is their first foray into the duffel line. So use it how you want, but we're going to do a full featured video on the Nutsack Duffel. And as you can see here, it is very roomy, very stylish. Here's a little extra handle, nice leather. It's got these little handles that are leather, wax canvas, zipper. This is a YK zipper that's just amazing. It's got some leather straps, some snaps for extra security. So if you're in an airport or something, somebody can't just unzip it and get it. They're going to have to go through your snaps. So definitely going to check out. They even got side handles. It's got a nice, this here, kind of scratch resistant, a little more durable material on the bottom because they know you're going to sit it on the ground a lot. So definitely cool item we're going to check out, load it up, and check out the Nutsack Duffel. Anyway guys, that is my weekly tech pickups for pickups for the week of 11/25. And again, this is from the 18th through the 25th of November. Again, check the show notes for links for all of these goodies because they will be down there. And as always guys, if you like the video, thumb it up, like it, and subscribe to the channel because we've got a ton of content coming in December. So be notified. Click the little bell too up there that says notify me when a new video is published because you're probably going to see a couple a day and definitely like at least one a day for quite some time. So again, thanks for watching guys and have a good one.